On how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to lock your messenger chat. So first of all, you need to open your messenger app, then tap here left top corner, it's a three line, tap on the settings icon, gear icon, scroll down, tap here privacy and safety, and tap here app lock. So use your face or fingerprint to unlock messengers. If you tap here, then you have to give your face here or maybe fingerprint, then once it done, so you can see here you can detect use biometric to unlock. So actually you can use fingerprint or face to lock your messenger and it will be secured.